What if your business falls apart? Well, I have to share something with you that a very dear, I would say friend, because it now is my friend. It's Keola, that is a member from the Philippines that is in our hooponopono community. And I love him because he always, puts in our forum chat, requests for cleaning, and he's really very funny. But he always worries a lot. And last month, this is the question he said, because as you know, I do a monthly class, of questions and answers. And he asked, what if in 5 years, your hooponopono business falls apart and fails? Nobody invites Mabel anymore or buys her products and seminars. How would you feel? What would you do? What if God told you to go back to being an accountant? And to be honest with you, I really laughed so hard when I read this, during the class, because I know where it's coming from. It's his anxiety of if things don't work for him and things like that. So anyway, I really love Keola and I really appreciate the opportunity to clean with this. So what was my answer and what is my answer today? First of all, I don't worry because I learned to live in the present and I love it. I always tell you guys that there is nothing that will make you, will give you the freedom of living in the present moment. The other thing is that what I told him, I said, listen, I'm sure God will have a plan B for me. Yes, if this doesn't work, or something, he will not allow me to be, to go and live on the street. The other thing is really from the bottom of my heart, if I have to go to the accounting world, I wouldn't mind. I used to love that. I used to help people and it made me feel really good besides making very good money. So I wouldn't mind to go back to the accounting, but like my son tells me always, Mom, you cannot leave this. No, I know. So anyway, I just want you to stop worrying about the future or being anxious about the future. And I invite you to live in the present moment.